Hello everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading. And this is our filtration system. I wanted to show it real quick to you. I was just getting ready to, just got done changing out our filters and wanted to show you the condition they're in. We were up in Wyoming for about a month and a half on these water filters, and this is the kind of condition that you end up with. We run with a primary and a secondary filtration system, and this one is for the primary filter and this one here is for the secondary. And I also wanted to show you a brand new filter so you understand just about how much gets into these systems. So if you are running a filter system, it's good to have a twin filtration system. Some people, decide not to run without them because they're packing their drinking water, but you still got to remember that's what you're got going into your shower. You're taking a shower in that, and also washing your dishes, and all your different valves and stuff in your coach is going to be getting that kind of water through it. So a good filtration system is pretty good. You guys have a wonderful day. God bless, and happy trails. You want to make sure before you change your filters to clean the inside of the filter housing. They can get kind of nasty. I mean, really nasty. And the other tip is your O-rings. You want to clean them really good and clean the groove where they go, right there. I still got to clean on that one a little bit more. And use some lubricant. Vegetable oil I use. You can also use food grade silicone. I don't have any of that. Vegetable oil will work fine, just enough so that it creates a seal so the water won't leak. You just kind of wipe them with, I take put a little bit on a cloth and wipe them on, and there you go. Okay, everybody, down here underneath of the refrigerator is our water filtration system. This is our primary. This is our secondary water filter. If you look right around the corner, that is our water pump and pressure tank. Our first 50-gallon water tank, and back over in the corner there is our other 50-gallon water tank. We got 100 gallons of fresh water. And the valves right in front of you are for all our propane appliances. And then all the rest of this is our hot and cold water system.